Welcome to this Wood Solutions campus presentation on the general production process for nail plated timber products. Solid timber can be joined together in several ways with steel nail plates. A nail plate is a simple sheet metal gusset plate punctured to form nails on one side. When these are pressed into both sides of a timber joint, that makes an efficient connector system. Forces are transferred between timber elements through the nails and the steel plate. For higher loads, it is possible to increase the size and capacity of the plate and the area in which it is in contact with the timber. More nails then spread higher loads through more timber. This basic connection provides the potential for a range of versatile construction systems. Nail plates allow us to join pieces together simply to make wider or longer pieces, or join pieces together to form many different types and configurations of truss. Unlike many timber products, nail plated products are often made for specific projects, and usually for particular places in the project, such as a truss in a specific location in the floor. Each of these elements has to be designed individually. So the manufacturing system for nail plated products includes proprietary engineering design software, a quality assurance system, nail plates of varying size and capacity, and graded timber elements. These can be sawn timber, glulam, or laminated veneer lumber. The general production stages for nail plated products are costing, design and documentation, member preparation, element assembly, bundle, storage and delivery.
All the information's here: wind, loading, client details and so forth. All the parameters are there, roof design. So we start with walls, got the walls in, and then you can choose hip gable roofs, so this is just standard hip roof, easy peasy. And basically from there we input the trusses in blocks. And it's all sort of like we can have a 3D model down here. So that's where she is at the moment. Even shows a bit of roof bracing on top with the design. And then we can go through each individual truss to determine what kind of camber comes in, the loading on the timber.
The first stage is costing, where a project is priced at tender competitively. After the project has been won, it moves to system design and documentation. The documentation process produces a design for each element in the building, with the lengths and cutting angles for each component of the element. This information can be fed directly into a semi-automated cutting table, which positions the saw and the timber stops for every cut that has to be made. All of the pre-cut lengths come together on an assembly table. The pieces are arranged as they are set out in the documentation, and plates are positioned on either side of each joint. Then the portable press squeezes the plates fully into the wood and the joint is complete. Once the plates are fully pressed, the element can be moved off the assembly tables. The completed components are individually labelled and then bundled together by the project job number. They are then stored together until they are needed on site. When the site is ready to receive the elements, job lots are loaded onto specialist trucks and the material is delivered to the site. In summary, solid timber can be joined together with steel nail plates. These are simple sheet metal gusset plates punctured to form nails on one side. They make an efficient connection when pressed onto both sides of a timber joint, and this basic connection provides the potential for versatile construction systems. Nail plates allow us to join timber together simply to make wider or longer pieces and form many types of trusses. The main production stages are costing, design and documentation, member preparation, element assembly, bundle, storage and delivery.